and welcome to the very first episode of Soul Fitness TV. My name is Whitney, and this is my husband, Jose.
El dominicano, ya tú sabes que lo que.
So yes, Jose's from the Dominican Republic, and I was born here in the United States. And although we come from very different cultures, we have one thing in common, and that is that we're passionate about health and wellness.
Ya, ella va demasiado rápido, a veces no lo entiendo, pero no le pare a eso, sigue ahí, dale.
So we started Soul Fitness because we wanted to offer a unique approach to health and wellness that offered both physical wellness and exercise, but also mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of health.
Empezamos cosas así, atlética, para ayudar a otro y para tener buena salud. Y cualquier pregunta, dale.
So every single day in my work as a yoga instructor and Jose as a personal trainer, we get asked questions about when's the right time to work out. Should I work out in the morning or at night? How much water should I be drinking? What's this whole paleo diet? Is that something that I should try? And I love helping people and we love answering those questions. But we thought we can probably reach more people through a great channel, YouTube.
Ya tú sabes, muchas personas en el gimnasio nos preguntan, ¿qué hora va al gimnasio? ¿Qué como? ¿Qué bebo? Y vainas así. Pero nosotros estamos aquí para ayudarte. Cualquier cosa, ¡pam! Déjanos saber.
So we're very excited to have this channel. We'll be posting videos every single Friday.
Todos los viernes.
Some of them will be about supplements that we love, different exercises that we love.
Proteínas que creemos y lo que comemos y cosas así. Tú demasiado rápido, mi hermana.
Yoga tips, different mindfulness eating strategies, but of course, everything is going to have to do with how you can live your best life.
Exactamente.
And so, if you're interested in videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, click the bell so that you receive notifications every Friday when we post a new video, and you'll be on your way to better health and wellness.
Ya tú sabes, síguenos.
And as we like to say, be strong inside and out.
Sé fuerte por dentro y por fuera, nos chequeamos.
Okay, we'll see you next time.
All right.
Gracias.